Hi everyone. In this project we will modeling an apartment model. As you see, model is perfect result for us and realistic but very simple. So as you see, our model is not too complicated and all components are very simple, but result is enough for our project. We will learn how modeling this apartment model quickly and simple way. If you are ready, let's start. Let's model the first floor of our apartment first, and for this, let's make the wall of one floor first. 3D Studio Max has very powerful architectural visualization tool, and we can go to the architectural extended and wall. But at first, we can draw a reference path from top view, and we can select this synapse toggle and select grid point, and you can start from here. And yes, we will make symmetry of this draw. Yes, enough for now, maybe. Yes, and yes, okay, and yes, it's our small balcony section, and perfect, and maybe yes, our first step, and we can mirror of this line and copy and drag. As you see, it's perfect result, and we can attach each other, and we can select connection point and weld and fuse. Yes, enough. This is all reference line for us, and we can go RJ extended and wall. Maybe we can right click free selection. Yes, and again open wall and open this slab toggle and start. Yes, by the way, delete, and we can see on this wheel. So yes, start. Yes, perfect, yes, 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 well point, right click. Yes, perfect result. Or first bullet for or first floor plane here, perfect, and right click on freeze all and select line, this line, and delete. Yes, or first floor wall, and we can add door and windows. So maybe this one. Yes. Perfect. F4, by the way. Maybe just a bit. Yes. Okay. And again, you can align this grid line. By the way, we can add a door. Yes. F3. There is an important point here. These boxes need to pierce the wall, because soon we will remove these boxes from the wall object. Yes. Maybe just a bit. Yes, perfect result. And select this again and copy and drag other main balcony. And let's create French balcony. So we can copy this box and okay. Yes. Yes. And copy, shift hold down and drag. Perfect. And shift hold down and drag. Yes. Perfect. And copy, shift hold down and drag, and select both of and shift hold down and drag. Perfect. And copy this way. Maybe. Yes. Copy in and copy both of. Yes. And copy again. Small window, too small. Yes. Okay. Perfect. And we can add copy for this small balcony. Yes. Perfect. And must be small, too small. Yes. Here. Maybe small. Yes. maybe this, yes, 71 maybe, and so this way enough, yes, maybe just a bit bigger, yes, and copy again, perfect, and this door height maybe 71 also, yes, and we can copy this door, yes, okay, enough, and select this main wall and compound object and boolean and subtraction and add operand, start add operands, yes, perfect, perfect, yes, and right click, convert to the table, poly again, perfect, and we can add windows and doors, so select, right click, select vertex and go to windows and fix it, this window, yeah, select this corner and drag mouse and release your mouse and click again and up and click again and right click, quit, and select this modifier and panels horizontal maybe 3 and panel width maybe just tick, yes, perfect, again and fixed windows again, yes, same value active still as you see, and we can add awning this window, perfect, and we can add a casement window, yes, yes, modifier and to panel, perfect, perfect, and other casement window, F4 we can see X, perfect, same value, and go to another windows and casement, yes, yes, and casement, yes, 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 and perfect, again, maybe this panel with one, yes, better, and casement again, perfect, and perfect, and yes, and we can add small windows, yes, yes, perfect, and we can add this window also from small balcony, Yes. Yes. Perfect. And French balcony from fixed window. Perfect. Again. Perfect. Yes. Perfect result as you see. And we can add door from this menu and pivot door. Yes. We can control door as you see, or flip. Yes. Yes. Flip swing. Yeah, perfect. You can open all windows as you see. Yes. We can just a bit change value. So perfect. And yes, okay, this value is perfect for now. Yes, and again add pivot door from for this. Yes, and other balcony. Yes, and other balcony. Yes, perfect. Done. You can quit from here, and we can add material, and we will make balconies. At first we can add material, so we can at first save this project and open material editor. Yes, and surface, standard surface, specular 0. Yes, perfect. And select all, maybe just a bit light. Yes, perfect. And we can add as a PVC material or all. We can select all this windows and doors and assign. We can add glass material surface. Its name is glass. Just a bit blue, and select add edit mesh and select this window, add material again, and we can add all door and windows and add edit mesh. Yes, perfect. And select this one, select this, add, perfect, and add, perfect, select, add glass, perfect, and select, add, and add, perfect, and hit control, select, okay, and perfect, and perfect, and select panels with controls key, okay, control key, and assign, we can change this material. For example, physical materials. Yes, physical material maybe. So yes, for now physical material we will change later. Yes, okay, and this way. Okay, sorry, this way. Okay, perfect. Yes, Control S, and we can add balcony right now. At first we can add wall, RG extended wall, and height maybe 20, maybe just a bit more, 25. I think enough, maybe 27. Yes, and we can add balcony again, so we can right click and vertex point. Yes, perfect, perfect and perfect. Yes, all balcony ready, as you see. Yes, maybe this, maybe 3. Yes, not too much, and we can copy from this area, this tool. Yes, perfect. Okay, and we can add other small balcony. Open this, and yes, maybe just a bit. Yes, yes, and yes. Okay, as you see, and we can copy again. Yes, perfect. Yes, all balconies ready right now, and we can floor for our balconies with box. Yes, not too height, maybe 2. Yes, or balcony floor, as you see. Perfect. Yes, and again copy. Maybe we can add material after we will copy. It will be so practice. Control S. You can download from textures.com. If you write tile in search area, you can find this material, or you can find, if you write metal door, you can find this metal door. We will use this. So, and at name is balcony floor and select standard surface and select bitmap. But I want change this wall color, so maybe yes, maybe this color, yes, look like perfect. Okay, and or balcony, main balcony floor, and we can add white and 0 and edit mesh and select this freeze and another slot, material slot, and bitmap. I downloaded many texture from textures.com. You can choose what you want texture from same website, and I want choose this texture and assign and select this. Yes, maybe we can change this tiling value. Yes, I think enough for now. And again, we can quit. Of course, this just a bit low. Yes, perfect. And again, copy. Perfect. Yes. Just a bit we can. Yes, maybe this way. Perfect. Right. Yes. And we can add another floor also, and we can copy this way. Yes, perfect. Just a bit maybe. Yes, okay, enough. And another we can copy for other or offside balcony. Yes, okay, perfect, and done. And we can add something for our French balcony. So we can add cylinder at first. Yes, and maybe slice on 280 or 0 280. Yes, perfect. Yes, yes, maybe radius, maybe bigger. Yes, front, and okay, perfect. Maybe we can increase size value, and maybe all right. Yes, and we can add we can change name balcony white, and we can copy and French balcony white. Yes, yes, and assign, and we can copy Perfect. And radius may be lower. Yes. Perfect. And again. And this radius 20. This radius 17. This radius may be 14. Yes. And last of this radius may be 11. Yes. Select all of and resize. Yes. Yes, I think perfect result. Yes. And we can choose all cylinder and copy for other French balcony. Yes, perfect. Yes, perfect. Let's add chrome handrail to our French balcony. So let's add arc and yes, maybe yes, yes, and enable in render, enable in viewport, and radial maybe yes. As you see, maybe just a bit bigger or this way, yes. And we can embed to the wall. Yes, maybe more thick. Yes, perfect. And let's copy these handrails, chrome handrails. It's too much, of course. Delete. Yes, enough. And we can add close. We can add standard surface handrail, and we can change the color just a bit, and metalness maybe more. Yes, and select all these handrails and assign material, and we can copy. Perfect. Yes, handrails. So unit. Yes, or for here. That's okay. Yes, perfect. And let's add balcony and window sill. So and select line and cancel this feature and hold down shift and yes, right click and quit and move on top of our balcony and modify and enable viewport and select rectangular and change values, change these values. Yes, as you see, our balcony can be more realistic. Yes, perfect. Okay. Maybe white. Maybe white, yes. And balcony color maybe darker from wall material. And balcony, select balcony and add balcony. And other balconies we can add. We can assign our material. Okay, perfect. And we can copy this seal. So copy. Yes, perfect. Again, yes, Control S, and again we can draw a line. Hold on Shift. Yes, perfect. Maybe just a bit. Yes, okay. And move on top balcony, small balcony. Yes, and add white material again. Perfect. And maybe, yes, enough, no problem, but maybe just a bit from line. We can, yes, hide this and copy and move to other small balcony. Perfect. Yes. And we can add handrail for balconies also. So we can copy this seal and we can change this radial and increase thickness. Too much. Maybe 4. Maybe 2. Yes. We can copy. Okay. We can add balcony chrome material, balcony handrail, balcony handrail material, and yes, and just a bit darker, and add patterns. Yes, we will count check later. Yes, perfect. Yes, and another copy. Okay. Perfect. We can add some cylinders for these handrails. Yes. Move. Height. Z. maybe radius small. Yes, perfect. And material again also, and we can copy this and cancel. Hold on shift and we can delete, and we can move to corner. We can just move right. Yes, perfect. Maybe we can copy more. For example, this, and we can copy this. Yes, I think enough. And select this one and copy 1 and 2. Yes, perfect. Maybe yes. Or balcony handrails is ready, and we can copy this, so we can select other component and freeze selection, and freeze selection also, and select this freeze selection and select all this from component and hold on shift, copy and clone. Yes, Z for zoom. Perfect. Perfect. Yes. Perfect. Result. Or now, Control S, and we can add another balcony and rail, and we can copy this again, and maybe radial and see. Perfect. Maybe 2.2. Yes, and copy. Perfect. Yes, and select this cylinder and copy. Ctrl Z, hold on shift and OK. Perfect. Yes, and copy. Perfect. Yes, I think enough. Yes. We can choose and freeze again, because I want to choose these handrails for other small balconies. So freeze selection. Yeah, okay. Maybe freeze selection. Maybe freeze selection. Yes, and select all of it and hold on shift and drag and okay, perfect. Yes, and right click on freeze all. Yes, result is perfect as you see. Yes, let's add window sill for our apartment. So add box, for example this. Yes, okay, Z, okay, maybe thin. Yes, yes, perfect. Add window sill. Window sill matte material, and we can copy this. Perfect, nice. Yes, perfect, and we can choose this and this seal and copy for other windows and copy and okay, Z, and copy again and border copy this box. Perfect, and we can add this window seal for these windows. Z, yes, yes, shift hold down, yes, and drag. Perfect, for these windows. Perfect. And copy our other window. Yes. Okay, perfect. Yes, enough. I think. Perfect. Control S. And we can copy right now. Yes. And select. You can see from select and hold on shift and yes, maybe for floor, yes, or apartment. Ready for now. Yes, we can add top of apartment and bottom of apartment component right now. Let's add bottom of our apartment, so we can choose and select free selection, and we can select this cement and maybe unfreeze all. Maybe we can choose this first floor first. Yes, and freeze selection and control A and hide selection. Yes, and unfreeze all. Yes, so we can try again, but vertex not grid. Yes, not enable in render this. Yes, 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 yes. Perfect. Perfect. Yes. 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 And we can drag down, maybe, yes, and spline and select and outline. Yes, perfect. And we can add extrude modifier and amount just a bit more. Yes, perfect. And right click on freeze all, right click on hide all. Yes, perfect. Maybe just a bit high. Yes, perfect result. And we can add a terrace for our apartment. Yes. So align and maybe grid, and we can start from here. Yes, but just a bit we can copy for now, and clone. Yes. Okay, we can add line again. Yes, yes. Yes, perfect. And we can delete it again, and move top of this floor. Yes, perfect. And extrude. Maybe we can take a copy. We will use letter and extrude. Too much. Okay. And yes, just a bit more. Perfect. Yes. And right click, convert to the table poly, and select this face and insert. Yes, perfect. And extrude. Perfect. Yes. And we can use this right now and enable for seal. Yes, perfect. And materials, we can add this way, and we can add this way, this material. Yes. Ctrl S, and this seal absolutely white, and select edit mesh, select this surface and another material copy, and terrace material, okay. And UV map, perfect. Maybe we can increase these values. Yes, perfect. And we can and I want add a elevator room. So move these parts top of building. Yes. Perfect. And we can control table poly, and we can maybe select this X and connect, and this way, yes, and face F4, and extrude local normal, yes, and select this face and extrude, perfect. And add material for this and edit mesh, yes, can copy this again, elevator, 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 room, mat, yes, add, maybe can reduce, yes, perfect. Right click and convert to the table poly, and we can add a box, maybe, yes, and select and compound object, boolean, and subtract, and okay, perfect. Right click, convert to the table poly, and edit mesh, select this face and standard surface, and bitmap, select this metal door, add, and UV web, yes, we can control with Gizmo, yes, yes, perfect. Yes, we can delete these boxes. And Control S. And last, now we can add this door, yes, main door, maybe just a bit big, yes, perfect. Maybe I can add yes, also we can copy this box, okay, maybe again copy and rotate. Okay. And copy again. Yes, enough. And select Ctrl S and compound object Boolean subtract and yes, perfect. And right click, convert to the table poly, and we can add doors and windows, door and windows, door, maybe sliding for now, vertex, yes, it's perfect, like, and we can add windows and fix it, and panels, yes, maybe 3 again, and again, yes, and white, and white, right click, convert to the table, mesh, and this one, glass, and this one, glass, and this one, glass, and this one, glass, and maybe we can add another material, maybe just a bit dark, yes, and right click, convert to table, mesh, yes, and we can add basement as a pavement, so vertex, and maybe yes, can delete, yes, perfect, extrude, right click, convert to the table, okay, and add material again, standard surface, bitmap, I can choose this one, and UV map W. Perfect. And edit poly. And insert. Another material. Standard surface. Just a bit dark. Yes. We can add a HDR texture for environment and bitmap. Yes, select this texture from textures.com. Perfect. And maybe we can add a camera. Shift F and Control CC. Perfect. And we can add a light. Arnold light. Arnold light. And we can add a test render. Shift Q. Yes, perfect. And we will work on some details in our apartment project. So, and I want to add a background for our apartment. Yes, yes, and select vertex this corner and fillet. Perfect. And extrude. Yes. Perfect. And add shell modifier. Perfect. Maybe extrude value more. Yes, perfect. Again. Perfect. And yes, and add a material for background standard surface. Maybe we can choose a color. Yes, perfect. And this material can change standard surface. Metallics maybe. Yes. So Shift Q. Yes, perfect. And handrail metalness maybe 1 again. Perfect. Yes, maybe this color, maybe gray. Yes, perfect. And maybe we can change edit mesh bottom of terrace color. Yes, maybe white. Yes, and shift Q again. Yes, result is perfect, and our project has completed. As you see, result is perfect. Maybe we can take a render this way if you want. For example, Control C, and maybe this one. Render again, Shift Q. Yes. Yes. As you see, result is perfect. And Control Z. Yes. And finally, maybe we can add exposure control. Maybe, yes, maybe 7 and Shift Q. It's too much. We can control lighting, maybe 1.5 and Shift Q. Yes, result is perfect as you see. Thanks for watching and see you in another project.